everyone. This is going to be an update on the cheap foam cannon. This is a $12.50 foam cannon. I have it filled up with some soap, and I get a lot of questions from people asking if it still works. So we're a few hundred cars in, about 6 months I think since I recorded that last video, and let's do some foaming. Right, so I currently have the nozzle turned up about, let's see, that would be all the way over to the left, which is the least. That would be the most. Let's take it a couple dials back. We're about medium way. Let's see if it's still foam. Oh yeah. Look at that thing. Still foaming. That's not even all the way turned up. Imagine if it was. So we got no leaks. As you can see, it's not leaking at all. Still foaming just fine. $12.50 on Amazon. There you go. Just a little update. Wanted to show you guys. Hope you enjoyed. Still foaming great. I'll link everything up in the show notes below. The foamer, the soap, all that.